Hi, my lovelies. I know we were originally going to do clay today, but we're going to postpone that till next week. We'll have our class time plus and learning extension time next week that we'll be working on clay, as well as we'll continue to work on clay for a couple of weeks. So today I'm going to give you a day of painting. You're going to be using the Good Prang watercolor paint and the Good paper. Remember, the rough side is the side you work on. The smooth side is where you put your name. When you get your paper, you will also be able to get good paint, a good paintbrush, a Sharpie, and the paper. Please sketch first with a pencil. Remember, sketching is light because that pencil mark really won't come out of the paper unless we sketch it. If you actually draw on the paper, it's very hard to erase, even with those white erasers. So sketch, Sharpie, if you choose, and watercolor. At the end of class today, these are my expectations. 1, your paintbrush and your water with the sponge will all be carefully put into the sink. 2, you will take your artwork with you. 3, you will get a wet wipe to clean up any messes on the table that you need to so that it's ready for kindergarten when they come in. I can't wait to hear about what you've done. I hope Ms. Fleming takes some pictures so I can see some of your artwork and your creations. You can go realistic, you can go abstract, you can do what you like. Remember, too, how we walk in the classroom. We walk. When you need to, if you need to change out that water, remember we walk to the sink between the table and the shelf. We go to the sink between the table and the shelf. You rinse out your water, clean your sponge, get fresh water. You walk towards the door and back between the desk and the table, back to your seat. It's counterclockwise. Please make sure that we're only going in one direction to that sink so that we don't have the spills and the accidents that we could have. All right. Can't wait to talk to you when you get back or when I get back and to see some of your creations. Bye-bye.